Hi friends, welcome everyone. In this unit, you are going to study the calculation of NPV, that is net present value. You can observe the question here. This is a very important problem. Please observe. A project involves an investment of 10 lakh and the amount is to be spent as follows. Beginning of first year 2,50,000, beginning of second year 2,50,000, beginning of third year 2,50,000, beginning of fourth year 2,50,000. The project is expected to give cash inflow as follows. Year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 amount 2,30,000, 2,28,000, 2,78,000, 2,93,000, 2,53,000, 1,73,000 including scrap value, that is for last sixth year. The cost of the capital may be assumed as 12%. Evaluate the proposal using NPV method, that is the discounting factor is 12%. See, in this problem there is no requirement to calculate net in this problem uh, there is no required you to calculate the discounting factor because they have only given, that is 12% they have given, so no required you to calculate. You can observe the discounting factor here. Okay, let's come to the solution. See, this problem is very easy but quite technical. If you listen patiently, if you observe authenticatedly, you can learn. Not so much difficult. This problem is divided into two segments, segment A, segment B, okay? Uh, or in simple words, part A or part B. Part A, present value of cash inflow. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cash inflow. PV factor at 12%, that is what they have given in the question. Right, that only, okay? So next, the fourth column is present value of cash inflow. See, this problem is simple. I have just taken the table and the discounting factor. By taking these both, I just do product of the cash inflow and PV factor. If we do product of this, we will get present value of cash inflow by doing the product of cash inflow and PV factor at 12%. Here it is for 6 years. Okay. After doing the product, the totality of values is considered as total present value of cash inflow. That means if we add all the present values, we will get total present value of cash inflow. In simple terms, TPVA of cash inflow, the total value is 10 lakh 5,434. Okay, part A is over. We have to do part B. Part B, present value of cash outflow. Here we have to do present value of cash outflow. First we have done present value of cash inflow. Now we are going to do present value of cash outflow. Consider the years. See, if you observe year, beginning of first year means there would be no year, so consider the year as 0. After that consecutively 1, 2, 3. So you can observe this is the most important point to be noted here. It will start from 0. Cash outflow is almost same, that is 2,50,000. If we observe PV factor, see, when you want to calculate PV factor at 0 year, in generally it would be almostly 1. That thing you have to keep it in your mind sealed. To calculate PV factor for the year 0 would always be 1. It is like a formula, just keep it in your mind sealed, okay? Okay, generally for the 0 year, PV factor is 1. Remaining 1, 2, 3 you can calculate. Above table only it is mentioned 0.893, 0.797, 0.1722. That one you take it. Just do the product of cash outflow and PV factor at 12%. Cash outflow into PV factor at 12% gives you present value of cash outflow. I have done simple. Just do product of this both, you will get 2 lakh 50, 2 lakh 23, 250, 1 lakh 99, 250, 1 lakh 78,000. I'm just doing the product of both cash outflow and PV factor at 12%. When you observe here, I have taken cash inflow. When you observe here, I have taken cash outflow. Okay, just doing product and adding the total present value of cash outflow here. Okay, TPV of uh, TPV of cash outflow is 8,50,500. So in your question, they have demanded us to evaluate the proposal using NPV method. Means the main question of target here to calculate net present value, right? Okay, calculation of net present value. What you have to do is total present value, that is TPV, total present value of cash inflow less the total present value of cash outflow. You have to do just if you subtract these cash inflow and cash outflow, you will get net present value, that is 1,54,934. That would be the final solution of NPV. After that you can write comment. See, this comment will play an important role. It will carry 2 marks, so don't ever forget to write the comment. The value of net present value when differencing TPV of cash inflow and outflow, the net present value is 1,54,934. You just write the comment. Okay, see what is the difference when compared to these sums is, first we have to do part A, that is present value of cash inflow. For that I have considered this table and this table. For inflow, when you consider for outflow, I have just considered this table and this table, but um, remaining, since it is from beginning year, I have taken 0 beginning of first year. So here you can observe 0 1 2 3, remaining 1 2 3 I have calculated PV factor. That's all guys. You just, what you have to do is, for the solution you just uh, do the present value of cash inflow for inflow, then you have to find the present value for outflow, then you have to just subtract the TPV of cash inflow less TPV of cash outflow. That's all this sum is. Thank you guys.